Skiing with your kids is a lot of fun, but it can be stressful. A common thing I see is the kid tearing off down the hill in a straight line, one or both of the parents screaming, slow down, slow down. Very stressful and possibly slightly dangerous. So if you actually stay in front of the child and even using your ski pole, drawing a nice smooth line, it will give them something to follow. Also help them control their speed and teach them to do a nice smooth turn. Following that line will not only help them control their speed, but it will also help them start to lose the snowplow. And you can have a bit of fun with it, make it into a game. But if they're in control, nobody's going to have a heart attack and it's going to be a much less stressful adventure.